Hi everybody, well today we're making griddle cakes, delicious griddle cakes. It's something we made every single Saturday. We're going to douse it with the raspberry sauce. I'm adding in a cup of flour. I'm adding in baking powder. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There we go. Oh, tired today. 2 tablespoons of sugar. You see? Yeah. Mix it together. Make sure we add the milk, and we've got to add in a cup of milk and 1 egg. It's all natural ingredients. A cup of milk, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Here we go. Mix it together. Yeah, every Saturday my mom had griddle cake day. Many kinds of syrup was added into it. Here we go. Then we're going to put it on a hot griddle. Okay. When it bubbles up, you know it's done, you turn it over. Here we have delicious homemade griddle cakes for us. Delicious Saturday served with raspberry syrup. Here we go. Oh, it's going to be delicious and yummy. Griddle cake Saturday. Deborah Tom Crutch Kitchen. Have a great day.